Hi and welcome to this series of webinars. In this short series of clips, all done in bite-sized chunks, you're going to learn all you need to learn about algo trading. What we're going to teach you is what algo trading is and how you can, for the first time, create your own algorithms, code-free, with no coding experience or coding knowledge, using our simple drop-down menu system. How you can then create those strategies you've thought of into real algos. How you can then back test them using the live inbuilt engine very quickly and then set them to run live. What you're also able to do is edit them, share them with others, or receive other strategies that others have created. It really is a revolutionary tool. It's amazing. We are proud of Tekton and we hope that you are too once you've seen these videos. Thanks for watching.